Dear student, see this diagram. Through this diagram we will discuss so many things. These are revolution of the earth, rotation of the earth, main latitudes of the earth, different zones of the earth, temperature zone of the earth, and effects of tilted axis on the day and night. And Ahmedabad and Kolkata are able to see the more noon sun exactly overhead twice in a year, but not Delhi. First of all, as we know that there are five main uh, latitudes on the globe. These are 0 degree, that is equator. Second is Tropic of Cancer. The degree is 23.5 degree north because it lies north of the equator. That's why it is written here north. And the second is Tropic of Capricorn, which lies south of the equator, 23.5 degree south. And after that, 66.5 degree north is known as Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree south known as Antarctic Circle, and 90 degree north and 90 degree south is the point which is known as different poles. So there are five main latitudes of the earth. These are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. And according to, as we know that earth axis is not at that right angle, it's slightly tilted, just like this, slightly tilted. That's why there are the difference between the actual axis is here, actual axis is here, and axis should be here. One axis should be here, and but the actual axis is here. So there are the earth tilted. We saw that earth tilted about 23.5 degree towards the land, and it makes 66.5 degree angle of the angle. Is it clear? From equator to prime meridian. Now, due to rays of the sun, the area which receive rays of the sun, the earth is mainly divided into three temperature zones. These are torrid zone, the area between two tropics, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, is known as torrid zone. You have already read in class 6. Next is temperate zone, which lies between 23.5 degree north or Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle. This degree is 66.5 degree north, and this is frigid zone. You have already read in the, and beyond this 66.5 degree north or south, this is frigid zone, and this start from 66.5 degree north to 90 degree or north pole. So the earth is divided into three main temperature zone: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. And what is the position of India? We have already read in this. India lies in the tropical and subtropical region. What do you mean by tropical and subtropical region? First of all, area between two tropics which receive maximum amount of solar energy, that is called torrid zone. Sun rays fall directly in this zone. Directly, that means at the angle of 90 degree. Whereas these areas receive slanting rays of the sun. That's why the intensity of heat and solar energy is less than this area, torrid zone. Is it clear? Now, you have already read in class 6 this diagram. But what is the difference between you have read in the class 6 to class 9th? Number 1. First of all, you didn't read about the subtropical zone. What do you mean by subtropical zone? After torrid zone, temperate zone further divided into two categories. 23 to and half degree north to about 40 degree north and 40 degree south. This area is known as warm temperate zone, whereas the upper portion 40 to 66 and half degree north, it's not exactly about 70, we can say that 70 degree north, is known as cool temperate zone. Because of the temperature, atmospheric pressure, and rainfall is not suddenly change in this region. These factors gradually change. So this area is known as warm temperate zone. Warm temperate zone also known as subtropical zone, whereas the beyond the 40 degree north, this area is known as cool temperate zone. So, what is the position of India on the globe? First of all, we will see this diagram. India lies 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes. That means that and Tropic of Cancer divide the India into two equal half. So we can say that the half portion of the lower portion, this the tapering portion, the peninsular region is lies in the tropical zone, area between two tropics, and the other portion, the northern portion, lies in the warm tropical zone, which is known as subtropical zone. See extent of the India, 37 degree 6 minute north. So we can say that India lies in the tropical and subtropical zone. Is it clear now? And so in this diagram we have already uh, discussed what are the main latitudes of the earth, what are the different temperature zone of the earth, and tropical and subtropical region. Now we move to next diagram.